go. Ysabel Hilado is great. Like, go like, comment, subscribe right now. What's up, guys? It's Ysabel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I design an outfit inspired by hot Cheetos. So this series is called the I Design series, and the category of the series is called Chips and Fits. I'm so thankful for all the love and support I got with the Talkies video. I'm glad you guys could enjoy it as much as I did. I'm going to show you guys the sketches that I did. Here's how they look like. As you can see, it kind of did pretty much 4 pages of different designs and the concept that I was going for. You can see the different phases of my sketches. I thought I wanted to do a jacket, I thought I wanted to do a button-up top, I even thought I wanted to do a paper bag waist short. I decided on doing just a simple blouse and shorts to go with it. So I'm looking for a fabric for this top. I'm looking for maybe like a cotton shirting, something lightweight. Because I have to put tiers of the sleeves together.
Wow, that's actually the color.
Yeah,
right there.
That's kind of weird. That's actually like what I need. But
wow.
It's kind of unbelievable. So when it came to designing the top, I was first inspired by the chip bag and also the Cheeto itself. The chip is very rugged. It doesn't have an even surface, and I really wanted to incorporate that into this sleeve. And I thought ruffles would be perfect for that. Sleeves have so much volume all around, which I was really going for. I'm not good at patterns myself, so trying to figure this all out was quite a struggle. I need to figure out how to do the tiers on this. Justin says it's a very historic vibe. I finished sewing the sleeves. This was probably the most time-consuming thing because I had to get all the proportions right. These sleeves are thick. Here's one sleeve that I finished ruffling. It's 1 a.m. and I have work at like 6. I sewed the sleeve on the wrong way. We love that. When the top was done, the last thing I did was add the gathered bust because it made the blouse look a little more fun and lively. It was looking a little plain and straight when I finished it. The main focus of this look was my top because it already has a lot of volume. So for the bottoms, I really wanted something that was simple yet had a lot of different design aspects to it to keep it interesting. Here I finished the pattern for the shorts. I look so crazy right now, but the shoot is tomorrow and I'm doing final touches to the pair of shorts that I'm making. And I'm going to show you right now. So I decided to do a corduroy cargo short style. It's super simple, so that's why I decided to do something like this, because the top, there's already a lot going on, so I thought I would keep it simple down here. But right now, I just have to attach the waistband. There's an invisible zipper at the front. We have wide pockets, and then I'm about to add another flap to this pocket right here. None of these sketches actually interpret what I did. I'm just gonna bring the shorts here. So I bought this orange corduroy fabric, and I finally found it at Michael Levine's for only, I think I got it for $6 a yard, which is not bad at all. So we are at Michael Levine's, and I wanted to originally choose an orange or burnt orange denim, but then I came across this beautiful, I would say corduroy fabric maybe, and I love how it looks in contrast with the yellow. And plus you're playing with texture, and hot Cheetos are all about texture as well. So I'm kind of digging it. I almost left my sketchbook in the fabric store, and I already lost my sketchbook here one time. Last collection, I think. I already lost it.
I remember that.
I found everything within an hour. So the waistband actually doubles as a belt. I have big pockets, can fit an iPhone. I also added some cargo style pockets as well. The back is pretty plain, so I'm not really going to show you. There's like nothing interesting besides 2 darts. And to zip it all up and to get into the pant, I used an invisible zipper. I haven't done invisible zippers in a while, and I forgot how much I actually love the way they look on pieces. As for the styling of this look, it was pretty simple. I really wanted to incorporate the whole cheetah print, so I did it in the bag that I thrifted. I believe I thrifted this bag for $2 at Goodwill, so that was a steal, and it's so cute. The whole vintage mini bags are in right now as well. So I'll probably be reusing this sometime. If I'm ever wearing like a plain look, I'll throw this bag with it. I had some mini sunglasses to go with the look. As for the shoes, I decided to just go with some simple Doc Martens. My photographer for this shoot was Vanessa Mae Lim. She is adorable, she's amazing, and she's incredibly talented. She's an up-and-coming photographer here from Cerritos, and I really wanted to work with her. She actually reached out to me because she really wanted to do a shoot, and I thought, hey, I am working on Chips and Fits #2. I'd really love to have you a part of it. And so she did such an incredible job.
There it is. Ooh.
Damn.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
It feels like the first day in class. This is an icebreaker. I'm Vanessa, I'm a photographer. My Instagram handle is @NessaMaeLim. She did alright. I mean,
I made a super cute mood board for everything, so I'm gonna insert it somewhere in the middle.
okay,
here.
sure, yeah.
The place that we shot at was Via del Sol in downtown Fullerton. We were really drawn to the architecture of the place. It's very modern, yet with a Spanish flair.
Hot Cheetos were actually invented by a Mexican guy.
Really? I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
that's why this kind of like all works together. Yeah, he was the janitor at like a Cheeto or Frito.
Really?
thing,
I
and
never
then
knew that.
He like suggested it and it worked out.
That's crazy. See, we learn something new every day.
Even though the place had Christmas decorations up, we thought it would be so perfect, especially since I'm posting this in the very last week of the year. So the people who came along with me were my boyfriend Justin. Obviously, he is the one who sees this whole thing from start to finish. From the time I talk about making this design to the time that I shoot it, he is there. It's shoot day! These nails, never get your nails done before a shoot. I'm so pissed. These took forever, and I did my makeup in 30 minutes, barely even did my hair. Had to pack all that stuff really quick. I asked him to originally meet me over there in downtown Fullerton, but then I told him to meet me at my house so that I can buy time to do my makeup in the car. You'll follow us as we shoot in the next hour.
What does Chester the cheetah look like? Like what's his pose?
What is
in the
his
bag?
pose?
Do it? That's it? I've always wanted to be a model.
Or you can put the chip back or eat it. Either one's fine. No?
Too gross. I hope my hands aren't ashy.
Oh, again.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. That's how you smoke a cigarette.
Alaina, how are you? How's she been there since like the first collection, back when we had friends?
Back when it was.
Who?
What?
Sorry, there's like a blank in my memory.
How you think the shoot's going? This is like the 10th thumbs up.
I know, we really
No
is.
video.
It's me the entire time.
Oh, I
There you go.
I'm sorry.
It's all good.
This has been super fun and a big learning experience for me because I try to push my designs every time I do something new. I'm happy to end this year with this series, and I'm definitely bringing it into 2020. Happy holidays with whatever you're celebrating. I am so grateful that you guys are following me on this journey, and I can't wait for you guys to see what else I have in store for the new year.